Welcome to the Immunization Costing Action Network Excel Immunization Delivery Cost Catalog, also known as the ICANN IDCC. You can learn more about the ICANN at immunizationeconomics.org by clicking the About Us button in the top right and selecting ICANN. The ICANN IDCC is a database of information from a systematic review on the costs of vaccine delivery in low and middle income countries. The purpose of the review was to help a variety of stakeholders answer the question, what are the unit costs of vaccine delivery across a variety of low and middle income country settings and through a variety of delivery strategies? These delivery costs are also called operational costs in some countries. Some examples are cold chain, transportation, and supervision. You can find the downloadable Excel IDCC by clicking on the black Download Excel IDCC button to the right of this video. The IDCC is organized into 5 sheets shown as tabs at the bottom of the Excel workbook: Welcome, Instructions, Filter, Data, and References. This video will focus on the Filter and Data sheets. The full data is available on the Data sheet. There are 317 records from 68 studies. On this sheet, each row is a different record or data point. Each record includes one or more unit cost. The IDCC includes over 600 unit costs. Each column is a data attribute organized into sections. In the basic view, the sections are background information, unit costs, represented in 2016 US dollars, vaccines, vaccine delivery, study design and methodology, cost categories included, and more cost details, also in 2016 US dollars. The advanced view includes 4 additional sections: reported currency and conversion to 2016 US dollars, reported costs, sensitivity and uncertainty, and quality. The advanced view also includes more information in each section than the basic view. Use the buttons in the top left, cells F2 to H2, to toggle between the views, and the buttons in A2 to D4 to navigate to each section. Buttons are gray if there are no data in the specific section in that view. Let's run through an example together. What if you want to know the delivery costs of HPV in sub-Saharan Africa? To do that, you can select your specific search variables in the filter sheet. To see data from a specific region, select Region from the drop-down menu of the Data Search tool in cell C27. In cell C28 below, you can choose one or more regions represented in the IDCC. For our HPV example, let's select Sub-Saharan Africa. The blue button below the Data Search tool and Search Results table to the right of the Data Search tool show that 175 records out of 317 include data from countries in Sub-Saharan Africa. Continuing with the HPV example, back in the Data Search tool, add a second filter by selecting Vaccines in cell D27. Select HPV in D28. The button below the Data Filter tool shows that 42 records of 317 include data from countries in Sub-Saharan Africa and include HPV delivery costs. The search results table still shows that 175 out of 317 records include data from countries in Sub-Saharan Africa. It also details that 79 records out of 317 total records include HPV costing data. The results summary report to the right provides a snapshot of statistics on the variables selected in the Data Filter tool, including country income level, country region, delivery strategy, and delivery sector. This table will show you these characteristics for records that meet all your filter criteria. In our case, the 42 records from countries in Sub-Saharan Africa and reporting HPV costing data. To view the 42 records you've selected, click the blue button below the Data Filter tool. which will direct you to the datasheet. You can also view the records you've selected by navigating to the datasheet via the tabs at the bottom of the Excel document. You can find the complete user guide by clicking on the black Download Excel IDCC User Guide button to the right of this video. Section 6 of this guide also includes tips on finding comparable unit costs. You can provide feedback on the Excel IDCC and companion products by clicking the black Have Feedback button at the bottom of each website page at immunizationeconomics.org.